I was the lead mechanical engineer on the new World Trade Center project in New York City. My name is Joe Coss, and I'm a vertical and horizontal transportation engineer with Henderson Engineers.
Send every available ambulance, everything you got to the World Trade Center now.
I remember September 11, 2001. It was those attacks, and the immediate thought I had was that we would rebuild, and then I ended up being a major part of that project, which was really special. When they poured the 105th and final slab at the top of Tower 1 on World Trade Center, we were so proud of our accomplishments, and our hearts went out to the families and first responders, and we really all felt such a sense of accomplishment. I had heard about Cheryl from a friend and reached out, and we had such a wonderful conversation that my initial feeling was like, this is the place to be. You know, we're looking to advertise and expand our business. My company was thrilled when I first presented Magnify Your Message program to them. They immediately, the team of vice presidents lightened up and said, the media, wow, that really makes sense. You think this is going to work? And I ensured them I really believed we had the right course and instruction in place to do so.
I transformed myself as I planned as part of the program, and it was a great thing. I thought about the difference of the courage it takes, for instance, to be on a TV set that's saying 987. Courage, certainly. Commitment, understanding your core message, all of that. So I'd like to celebrate my transformation.
The results from the program were really impressive. It led to basically my speaking opportunities. So the Council of Tall Buildings and Urban Habitats had me speak at the Illinois Institute of Technology. I joined BOMA in New York, which is a Building Owners and Managers Association, and I speak for them now. So being in front of these clients of ours that were our target audience, which then led to about 20 new clients for us. Our revenue is increasing by over $1 million a year at this point from this exposure. My story was picked up and featured by over 100 media outlets. They were CBS, NBC, Fox News, Yahoo Finance. Getting in front of the media is more effective than any of the various types of advertising and marketing and all the different strategies. I just want to thank Cheryl and the team so much at Magnify Your Message, because it really meant so much to me, and I learned so much in my life besides just the goal of having our business get to the media. And I think this program really applies to all aspects of my life.